What is business combination or corporate restructuring? Business combinations or corporate restructuring would simply mean whenever you are changing the structure of your business in any way, whatever it may be, it is known as कॉरपोरेट रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग, यानी कि जब आप अपने कॉरपोरेट के स्ट्रक्चर को चेंज कर रहे हैं, एंड दैट इज रेफर्ड एज कॉरपोरेट रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग. एंड दिस रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग, रिमेंबर, कैन बी बाय वे ऑफ in many ways. It can be in many ways. So which are the ways in which the corporate restructuring can happen? The corporate restructuring can happen by way of amalgamations, acquisitions, takeover, change in the capital structure, splitting of the business, purchasing another business, selling your brand, buying somebody else's brand, setting up a business outside India, making an investment outside India. So anything and everything that you can do, obviously that is going to result into the corporate restructuring और business combinations. यानी कि जब आप आपके business के combinations को change करते हैं, that is known as business combination. It is really as simple as that. Now, what are the benefits of corporate restructuring? So सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि business corporate restructuring क्यों करते हैं और business corporate restructuring क्या है. तो पहले सबसे पहला पॉइंट ये है कि businesses कॉरपोरेट रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग क्यों करते हैं. उसका जो प्राइम ड्राइवर है और वो है क्रिएशन ऑफ वैल्यू, क्रिएशन ऑफ वैल्यू और मैक्सिमाइजेशन ऑफ वैल्यू क्रिएशन. दैट इज द प्राइम ड्राइवर बिहाइंड एनी एंड एवरी corporate restructuring exercise, business combination exercise done anywhere in the world, and that is to maximize value creation. And how does the value creation maximizes when you do the mergers or do the amalgamations? We'll of course understand as we move forward. But in simple words, I can tell you the value creation maximizes in case of corporate restructuring or in case of business combinations, and that is because of a thing which is known as synergy. Which is known as synergy. And what is synergy? Synergy simply means 1 plus 1 is not equal to 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 11, or 2 plus 2 is not equal to 4, 2 plus 2 is equal to 7. So that is the meaning of synergy. So जब आप दो या दो से ज़्यादा कंपनियों को मर्ज करते हैं, अमलगमेट करते हैं, तो for various reasons those that merger or that demerger results into extra benefits, synergistic benefits. And what are those synergistic benefits that would accrue in case of a business combination or corporate restructuring? Let us look at them. Number one is external and internal growth. Number two, increase in the market share. Number three, purchase of assets at bargain price. And here I can give you an example of ArcelorMittal Group, and I'm sure all of you would be aware that ArcelorMittal Group is one group in the whole world which has really become which has become a Fortune 500 company primarily by virtue of corporate restructuring, because ArcelorMittal is one group that has become so big primarily by acquiring companies from all over the world. And remember what Mr. Mittal did, when he was acquiring, what was he acquiring? He was acquiring the ready-made steel plants. And whom was he acquiring from? He was acquiring from the governments of respective country. And at what price he was acquiring them? He was acquiring them at a bargain price. And why was he acquiring them at bargain price? Because all these plants in different geographies of the globe were incurring losses. And since they were incurring losses, it was in the interest of the governments of respective countries to sell those plants to Mr. Mittal and at least get some money instead of bleeding. And that is the another advantage of corporate restructuring, and that is you happen to get the companies or purchase assets at a bargain price. Number four, increased external financial capability. तो अगर आप छोटी कंपनी हैं तो obviously आपकी जो financial capabilities हैं वो छोटी होती हैं. But if you become a big company, and of course your financial capability also improve accordingly. An example that we can quote is of the Adani group that we have. And I'm sure all of us are reading in the newspaper and everywhere as to what kind of financial leveraging Gautam Adani is able to achieve. And with the help of that financial leveraging or the leverage buyouts, he is able to expand his group phenomenally, as much as today he is the richest man in the country and third largest richest man in the world. And that is the fourth benefit of corporate restructuring, and that is increased external financial capability. Number 5, increased managerial skills. Number 6, reduction in tax liability. Number 7, economies of scale. Number 8, eliminate or reduce competition. So, when it was Arcelor and Mittal, there were two separate groups. Of course, they were competing with each other. And the moment the Arcelor was merged into Mittal Steel, the competition was eliminated just in one single day. So that is the advantage of corporate restructuring, and that is either you eliminate the competition, or if nothing else, at least you are able to reduce the competition. Number 9, enhanced power to face the competition. Number 10, maximizing synergy benefits. Number 11, market access, product access, technology access. And we will see many such examples of the real life mergers, amalgamations, demergers, takeovers, as to how so many examples we have in front of us which have resulted in easy market access or product access or technology access to different companies. And the number 12 is diversification of business interest. We all understand it very well that if you want to manage your risk, if you want to do risk management in your business, one thing that you need to do is to diversify. So obviously when you are indulging into mergers, amalgamations, acquisitions, takeovers, purchases of units and things like that, automatically you're diversifying your business activities. And when you are diversifying your business activities, you are automatically able to achieve another objective, and that is diversification of risk.